Today I'm going to be showing you this lens I got for just over $80. My name is Josh Stoops, and if you're new here, this channel is all about filmmaking on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, hit that subscribe button so we could learn together. Now today's video is going to be all about this lens, this $83 lens I found on Amazon. This is the TTArtisan 35mm 1.4 for the L mount, but it's for an APS sensor. And for those of you that don't know, Aps-c is a crop image, so if you take your full frame image and scale it up to 160, that'll be what it would look like with that focal length on a crop sensor. A lot of people hear crop sensor and they freak out.
Help me, Jesus! Help me, Jewish God! Help!
Don't. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm gonna slap this lens on my LUMIX S5 that has a full frame sensor, put it into Aps-c mode, and see what kind of shots I can get. And then you guys can be the judge. See you in a little bit. So what do you guys think? For $83, I think this lens is a fantastic deal. 35mm 1.4, you get decent low light with it. It's declicked aperture, and look how small this is. Look how compact this is. You could take this anywhere. You could put it in your pocket. I wouldn't, but like you could put it in your pocket. For comparison, here is my 24 to 105. Look how tiny it looks. Wait. Don't say it. Michael?
That's what she said!
Michael, please. Please.
Anyways, if you own an L mount camera, I think this is a solid investment. It's less than $100, but if you're someone who relies on autofocus, you're gonna be a little disappointed because this is a fully manual lens. But again, it's under $100, so see you guys next time. Stay creative.